Do 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 do. Do 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 do. In this video, we will follow US 60 from Orienta eastbound through Meno, Oklahoma. As we drive through Orienta, you will hear me mention a former alignment. On this map, you can see the scar of the curvature of this former alignment, indicated by the white arrows, part of which is now someone's private driveway. This old alignment was replaced between 1995 and 2003. A second former alignment in this area, which is also on private property, used to carry US 60 across the Cimmaron River just to the northwest of the current span, the current span being completed in 1957. On this map, you can see remnants of the old pavement on both sides of the river. I will also mention this one on the video as we get closer to it, and will include a link in the description to an ODOT document regarding this realignment.
Keep right to US 412.
I guess that road's gone. There used to be a road that old version of 60 before you got here. Well, there it is. It's over there through that gate. It's not public. That was where 60 used to turn. And you can actually see the old concrete there. Show you
Continue on US 412.
where it came out at. That was before 412 was ever here. 60 continued in this direction. And somewhere up here, before we get to this bridge, I thought there was another little road that sort of went off to the left. Missed it. Oh, if it's that one, it's blocked off. But there used to be another bridge. This is the newer bridge coming up here. Used to go over an older bridge. It may have been right there where that pile of rocks is.
The pile of rocks to the left may have been an old rail bridge, but was not the old highway bridge.
Over there, came across, and then it would have run back into this this alignment, where this alignment now is. You can actually see the raised road bed over there. Somewhere around in here is where it would have come back in. Right about here.
The earlier highway may have taken a dogleg here at 256 Road. If it did, it was before 1960 and the eastern half is now missing.
Yeah, it may have dog-legged right there. I may have missed it. other town of consequence we'll be going through tonight is Enid. We'll go through a few others, but I don't think they're very big.
In the next video, we will follow US 60 from Meno, eastbound, into Enid, Oklahoma. Please check the video description below for links to several online resources that made this trip and video possible. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now.